New Zealand recorded a new high of 222 COVID-19 cases in the community today. Of the cases, 197 are in Auckland, 20 in Waikato, 1 in Northland, 2 are in Wairarapa and a further 2 have been reported in Taupoa. There are 91 people in hospital and 7 in ICU, while the average age of people being treated for COVID in hospital is 48. The ministry also reported another COVID-related death, a patient in their late 70s who was being treated at Auckland City Hospital. There are 4,416 people isolating at home in Auckland, including 2,023 people infected with COVID. Since the outbreak, 21 residents and 4 staff members at Edmonton Meadows Care Home in Henderson have tested positive. 5 of those residents are in hospital. So far, 90% of New Zealanders have had their first dose of the Pfizer vaccine and 81% have had both. Director General of Health Dr Ashley Bloomfield said in a briefing today, while speaking alongside Dr Nikki Turner, that vaccinations were already playing a major role in easing the strain on our health system.
We're well on our way to having 90% of the population fully vaccinated. Not only does vaccination greatly reduce the likelihood someone will be a symptomatic case, it has a very protective effect on hospitalisation, and as I led out with, is hugely protective in terms of death.
Bloomfield, however, added that New Zealand was likely to reach 200 cases a day by the end of the month, while measures were also being put in place to try and prevent an estimated 6,000 Māori contracting COVID ahead of Christmas. Meanwhile, the Herald understands Aucklanders could be locked in by alert-level borders for the next month before travel restrictions are eased in time for Christmas. It's expected Auckland's boundaries would reopen soon after the country moves into the traffic light system in mid-December. While there would be some policing of those boundaries, it would be a soft boundary with spot checks rather than checkpoints where every car is vetted. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern is set to make an announcement on the Auckland border tomorrow.